Welcome back to days 4 and 5 of our guest bathroom upgrade. First things first, I wanted to get a curtain up in here, and I remembered I had this old random one in a closet that was just way too long. I figured I could just iron on hem it, so I hacked off the bottom, but then I noticed a stain, so I ran it through the washer, and then I started measuring. If you're thinking, wow, that doesn't look like a very precise process, you'd be correct, and that became apparent the minute I hung it up and saw this wonky hem situation. But I left it alone for now to conserve my energy to tackle the floor after work. I was feeling motivated by how good the little section looked, especially with the new caulk line, so I poured a DC with my Marcus Freeman cup for good vibes, and I got to it. I actually decided to start with the shower wall just to see what happens, and I spent way too long doing this one wall only to rinse it and see literally no change. So I regrouped, switched gloves, and got a spray bottle and went to town on these floors, basically spritzing, letting it soak, and then scrubbing my way across the entire room. This was definitely a tedious job, and I still wasn't convinced it was doing anything, but that rinse water was looking pretty gross, so maybe it was. I made my way across the entire room and mopped up and called it a day, figuring that even if the floors didn't look that different, they were at least a lot cleaner now. But then the next morning, oh my word, this was so worth it. The grout lines were looking crispy white, and cleaning them up was definitely worth it. They actually looked so good, I got inspired to fix my janky curtain hem, so I took it back down and tried again and got that hem shaped right back up. So much better. Then I put this door stopper thingy on the wall and tested it like a million times because Evan wasn't home to tell me to stop banging the door. I also swapped these cabinet knobs out. They had stumped me the night before, but I realized the right size screws were sitting on the counter all along. Then I ran to the restore to drop off some of the old fixtures. I came back to swap out this fan pull string with a new chain. Some more super precise measuring going on here. Now let's see how many tries it takes me to find a tool that will cut this. Only 5 tries. Success. Then I realized I thought it was still too low, so I cut it again, gave it the jump test, and then called it for the day. We're so close to being done in here. Bye.